This is Shannon from SISforteachers.org. We're so happy that you've joined us for our third game today. It's called Cover Up. It's going to be a great game for upper elementary students to be able to use it. Our friends from Making Math Make Sense recorded this video, Emily, to show us a really great game that you can do with multiplication or division and the language in which students are using as they're playing this game. So listen carefully to the different math stems that she's saying in the video. I think that will help your students truly make sense of how to play this game. If you don't have a dice at home, remember you can go online for a free app and download a dice app. That would be a great way to play this. If you don't have the printer for the game board, you can simply just take a piece of paper, pause the video, write the numbers that she has on the Cover Up board, and she gives lots of great suggestions like using marshmallows or Legos. So many of you have posted to our Facebook page on your really creative math boards that you've done. You don't have to print stuff. Math doesn't have to be fancy, right? It can just be simple. We print something off if you have it. If not, you just make it. So we hope that you check out this game and let us know how it goes. Also, feel free to share our group with anyone that you know that is home with children looking for math activities. Sometimes a long list of downloadable things or maybe sites to go to. For parents that are trying to work and be home and be with their kids, it kind of gets to be a little bit overwhelming. They can just tune in, hang out with us. A lot of the games that we have, even in lower L or upper L, kids are posting that they love to play it. So we hope that you'll share this out with more of our friends. If you're on our Facebook, it's facebook.com/groups/SIS for students. You also can go on our website on SISforteachers.org where you can get all the videos that we have featured. Thanks so much for joining us.
Welcome back to the virtual math series with SIS for Teachers and Making Math Make Sense. I'm Emily and I'm here to show you the game Cover Up. It works on fluency with multiplication and division. You only need 3 things to play this game. This game board, which you can get from our Facebook group, SIS for Students. You can get on SISforteachers.org or makingmathmakesense.org. You will also need some playing chips if you don't have these 2-color counters. You are more than welcome to use anything you have at home. Mini marshmallows, chocolate chips, Cheez-Its, coins, anything you can easily grab and use to cover up our board. You will also need a dice. You can see I have a 6-sided dice and a 12-sided dice. 10-sided dice work as well. All you need it for is to roll to get your first number. You're going to play as a team. It's not a versus game. You're working together to cover up the board. The first number I rolled is a 6. So I'm going to take one of my playing pieces and I'm going to place this on any multiple of 6. I see 36 first, so I'm going to say 36 is the 6th multiple of 6. We could also say it as a division sentence. 36 divided by our number we rolled 6 is 6. Player 2 is going to go. Player 2 also rolls a 6, so player 2 needs to find another multiple of 6. It does not have to be next to our prior piece because all we're trying to do is cover the board. I'm going to put it on 42. 42 is the 7th multiple of 6, or you could say it 42 divided by 6 is 7. It doesn't matter which color we put as long as we are working together to cover the board. My next roll is a 2. I'm going to put it on the 6. 6 is the 3rd multiple of 2, or 6 divided by 2 is 3. The whole point is to cover the entire board as a team. If your child or student needs to use a multiplication chart or skip count, let them. That's the stage of learning that they are at. I hope you enjoyed today's game and let us know how it went when you played it. Send us a comment or post a video or a picture of you and your child playing it. Thanks so much.